Myself, Vijayalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kakinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about logic gates. What is a logic gate? A logic gate is an electronic circuit or device which makes the logical decision. Logic gates are the building block of any digital circuit. Logic gates are also called switches. Logic gates have one or more inputs and only one output. The output is active only for certain input combinations. Each gate has its own logic symbol which allow complex function to be represented by a logic diagram. The function of each gate can be represented by a truth table or using Boolean notation. Types of logic gates. Logic gates can be divided into three types: basic logic gates, universal logic gates, and other logic gates. In basic logic gates, we have AND gate, NOT gate, and OR gate. In universal logic gates, we have NAND gate and NOR gate. Other logic gates are XOR gate and XNOR gate. AND gate. AND gate perform logical multiplication, commonly known as AND function. The AND gate has two or more input and single output. The output of AND gate is high only when all its inputs are 1. That is, even if one input is 0, output will be 0. Here, dot denotes the AND operation. The Boolean expression is x equal to a dot b. Logic diagram symbol is given here. And truth table, we have two input a and b, the output x. If any one of the input is 0 or both the input are 0, the output is 0. If both the input are 1, the output is 1. OR gate. OR gate perform logical addition, commonly known as OR function. The OR gate has two or more inputs and single output. The output of OR gate is high only when one of its inputs are high. Here high equal to 1. That is, even if one input is high, output will be high. Here plus sign denotes the OR operation. The Boolean expression is x equal to a plus b. The logic diagram for the OR gate is given here. And the truth table, we have two input a and b, the output x. In this, if any one of the input is 1, the output is 1. Here, high represent 1 and low represent 0. We also say as positive and negative. Positive represent 1 and negative represent 0. Next one is NOT gate. NOT gate perform the basic logical function called inversion or complementation. NOT gate is also called inverter. The purpose of this gate is to convert one logic level into the opposite logic level. It has one input and one output. If the input value for a NOT gate is 0, the output value is 1. And if the input value is 1, the output is 0. Here, apostrophe denotes the NOT operation or inversion operation. The Boolean equation is x equal to a dash. A is the input and x is the output. The logic diagram is given here, and truth table, we have one input and one output. The input is a and the output is x. If the input is 0, the output is 1. If the input is 1, the output is 0. NAND gate is a cascade of AND gate and NOT gate. It has two or more input and only one output. The output of NAND gate is high when any one of its input is low. That is, even if one input is low, output will be high. Here, dot denotes the AND gate and operation, and apostrophe denotes inversion. The Boolean expression is x equal to a dot b, the whole dash. The logic diagram is given here, and truth table, we have a and b, two inputs, and x is the output. Here, if any one of the inputs is 0, the output will be high. So 0 0 equal to 1, 0 1 equal to 1, and 1 0 equal to 1, 1 1 equal to 0. So here last both the inputs are high, so the output is 0. NOR gate. NOR gate is a cascade of OR gate and NOT gate. It has two or more input and only one output. The output of NOR gate is high when all its inputs are low. That is, even if one input is high, output will be low. Here plus denotes the OR operation and first of it denotes inversion. A Boolean expression is x equal to a plus b the whole dash. Logic diagram is given here, and truth table we have two input a and b and one output x. Here, if both the input a and b are 0, the output is 1. Otherwise, the output is 0. Next, XOR gate. An exclusive OR gate or XOR gate with 2 or 3 or more inputs and one output. The output of 2 input XOR gate assumes a high state if one and only one input assumes a high state. This is equivalent to saying that the output is high if either input X or input Y is high exclusively and low when both are 1 or 0 simultaneously. Here, plus within circle denotes the XOR operation. X plus within circle Y, and it's equivalent to x dot y dash plus x dash dot y. The Boolean expression is x equal to a plus in circle b. Logic diagram is given here, and in truth table we have two input a and b, and x is the output. Here, if any one of the input is 1, the output is 1. Otherwise, the output is 0. If both the input are 0, output is 0. If both the input are 1, the output is 0. XNOR gate. The exclusive NOR gate or XNOR gate is a gate with 2 or 3 or more inputs and one output. The output of a 2-input XNOR gate assumes a high state if all the input assume same state. This is equivalent to saying that the output is high if both input X and input Y is high exclusive, or same as input X and input Y is low exclusively, and low when both are not same. Here, dot over circle denotes the XNOR operation. X dot over circle y, and it is equivalent to x dot y plus x dash dot y dash. The logic diagram is given here. In the truth table, we have two input and one output. If any one of the if both the inputs are 0, the output is 1. If both the input is 1, the output is 1. Otherwise, the output is 0. Next, universal gate. Universal gate is a gate which can implement any Boolean function without need to use any other gate type. The NAND and NOR gate are universal gate. In practice, this is advantage since NAND and NOR gate are economical and easier to fabricate. There are the basic gates used in all IC digital logic families. Circuit diagram with universal gates. Using the universal gate NAND or NOR, you can design all the gates without the help of other gates. Here we see the different gates by using NOR and NAND. We learned all the 7 gates which is used in circuit diagram. We'll see in the next video. Thank you.